With the progress of science and technology, the construction industry is also developing continuously. Doors and windows as an important part of buildings. People's requirements for it are also gradually increasing. Better soundproof, better energy saving, and more. Uniwing, professional door and window machine manufacturer in China. Supply insulating glass processing line. uPVC door and window assembly machine. Aluminium window assembly machine. CNC engraving machine. The machines can meet almost all production processes of aluminium, plastic, wooden doors, and windows. Machines are exported to more than 70 countries and regions. Uniwing adheres to the corporate culture of union and win-win, spread wings and fly. We are willing to cooperate with all customers to create a better future.